Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PCSN. So I wanted to talk real quick about, one day you log into your machine and your whole desktop just looks different. You can't really put your finger on it, it just looks different. I've seen this happen, quite a few times, and let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to switch screen. You're going to see some psychedelic effects. So here we go. So let's go ahead and minimize everything here. And so, this is what your regular desktop looks like. And this is what your start menu looks like. Now, one day you come in and it looks like this, where this is what you start off with. So you don't have a desktop anymore. This is what you have, and this is your start menu. And you can still switch between programs by clicking the little switcher icon down here. So you can, go into, for example, your emails or whatever have you. But to switch, you have to click this icon down at the bottom. Now, if this happens, what you want to do is simply click on the bottom right corner where it says no new notifications, or if you have notifications, click on that notification icon. And you'll see a little option that says tablet mode. Click it to turn off tablet mode. Once it says off, now when you go to start, you'll see the regular old menu here. So we get this every now and then, and it happens sometimes. People accidentally get it switched, or sometimes you connect from a tablet, the system detects it, and it switches the mode for you. Even if you remote into other machines, whatever your local mode is, if it's tablet mode local on your local device, the remote will switch as well. So that's what happens sometimes. But just a little quick update on what happens if your desktop looks different, your start menu looks different one day. This is what it is, and just go ahead and switch it over, and you should be fine. So until next time, everybody have a great day, and be safe out there.